This is the 2019 Nissan Navara Crew Cab. This vehicle has done just under 58,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can get quick access to our reversing camera that comes with parking sensors, navigation, and audio. The Navara has a reputation for being more reliable when it comes to those difficult terrains. So using this dial here, we can switch between two-wheel drive, high-range four-wheel drive, and four-wheel low. It also comes with a hill descent control button. We have heated seats on either side. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.